Hello, Jane Cleland here. The question is, what are some reasons why it might make sense to use a pen name? Well, I can think of three. The first one is if you are worried about embarrassing someone you care about, or maybe yourself, like you've written a memoir and it contains either things about other people or yourself that you feel you want to share for whatever reason, but you don't necessarily want people to know it was you. Well, maybe a pen name might make sense. It's still a memoir in the sense that it is a true telling of a themed slice of life. But usually memoirs, there's the attribution. So this is something else, but I could see that happening, and I don't see why that might not be kind of liberating. The second reason is it might be dangerous for you to use your own name. I could see someone who's a gangster, some kind of mob thing, who wants to fictionalize the account of their life and is worried that it'll come a little too close to the bone for some people, and maybe want to change names and situations, maybe even the geography, and certainly use a pen name. And the third reason I can think of is that it might hurt your career. In academia, for example, where they tend to be quite serious and scholarly, writing something kind of fluffy and light might not help your career. So those are three reasons. And I guess the other question that you might want to ask is, why are you thinking of it? What is it in you? Are you worried about jealousy? Are you worried about people pointing fingers at you for something? In other words, there might be practical reasons to use a pen name, but there also might be emotional reasons. And that doesn't mean they're not valid, because that means you probably want to think it through. Whatever you decide, I know you can do it, and I know you'll do it well. Can I ask a favor? If this had value for you, would you like it? Would you share it? Would you click on the little bell and subscribe if you haven't already? That opens up new features for us that let me add value to these videos that I think will help you. Thanks so much.